Okay, today in this video I'm gonna show how to write a script, a recursive script to iterate through this trees using recursion. So and usually it's called BFS traversals. The main point here is whenever you are looking for something up here in the top section of the tree, it's recommended to use BFS because it go level by level. So it first finish this level and then finish this and then this, and then if you're looking something deeper, then this time you're more likely to use DFS. And so let's try to write a recursive function for BFS, just starting from the function itself. I'll call it BFS, and for sure I'll be sending a head node here, this node, right? So I'm calling, this is my tree, I'll be calling my function first time. Let's say this is my function BFS. I'm sending a head node, and inside here again somewhere within a function, for sure I'm gonna call my next node, I mean the right node, and for sure somewhere inside I'm gonna call my left node as well. Otherwise I will be not able to access any node. So within my first call, let's draw the box here. I know that my pointer is pointing to a first node, which is 1, and here my purpose should be to print these values sequentially, so the output should look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So since I am in my first node and this is 1, I have to print it somewhere. Let me print it. Print f p dot data, and after that I will be accessing next call, which will be node 2. So it runs this code, but then it goes back and runs and prints data again. So something wrong here. I need to fix this. I need to stop. I guess it's not possible to use the recursion and print the levels. So there is something else I need to do to stop on each level. So what to do? Well, if I call this one for the first level, only for the first level, let's say, I will say then I should have a level here, right? So the level will be my indicator of which level I am right now. So my level is here, and I should use here my level, whatever it should be. If it's first node, then let's make it 0 level. This make 1, this 2, and then 3. And here there is one thing come to my mind is finding the height of the tree, the max height. So we will be writing another function which is max height. I will be not writing it here today, but you can see my previous video. So we will need to obtain this value. And so we are telling to my BFS function that I am printing 0 level. So in this case, my first call will not touch anything. It just comes here, and when it says 0, it just prints it and returns nothing. Just stops and terminate the function, and that's it. And it prints, here's my output, it will print 1. So now I need to have something to call my function back. But this time I'll make it 1, right? This time again process starts from scratch. It comes to here, this time with 0. Comes here, skip this section, then calls another call, which is this one. Right? It calls this, which is 2. No, I mean this time it is 1 here, right? We finished with this one. So here we are entering 1. This is our 2 value. So it is here right now. But then when I was here, I passed a level here, but I should not pass the same one. I should decrease it. So I'm doing -1 here, as well as I'm doing -1 here. I'm doing -1 here. So I know that this time is 0. So if it's 0, then I know this is a terminating, this is a finishing function. It's gonna come here and print 2, right? So at the same time, I am here right now. I finished this one. I came to here, so I went to the right node. This is my right node. Here again, I'm sending a 0, and this is also terminating function. It returns back to here. I mean, it's not returning back, it's just returning nothing, and that means it's finishing. So I come here again, I print 3. I print 3, and my function finishes here. Now I need to run my next level, which is 2. In 2 I have 4, 5, 6. Finish. And the last one, 3. It will print 7. Of course, after testing this pseudocode, I found out that there might be cases where my P might be 0, so I am wrapping it with this condition. So basically, from here I know that I need to put it inside my loop, and my loop will be something like this: for I equal 1. So this is my 0, and then it's gonna go until my height of the tree, and increment. And inside there I'm just gonna put my BFS with height and index. So this function gonna call 4 times. And this is the way it's being done through the recursive version. Of course, there is also iterative version. which to me it's a little bit easier than this, but this one is easy too if you understand the problem. So now the complexity, the time complexity of this, I guess, is, well, we're running four times the height. So for sure we have log n for height, log n for time, and then each time I do a separate tracing, I guess it's another log n, I'm not sure, probably, or maybe even since I'm visiting first node and then I'm visiting this much nodes, then I'm visiting this much nodes. I'm not sure, so it should be a value here, something here, but I'm not sure, but this is the way it works.